What's something like an average person can do to sort of determine if a piece of writing is AI without having to, have a tool on their computer to tell them?
Yeah.
Are there any giveaways? I mean, I mentioned the M dash. Like, maybe that's not fair to M dash users, of which I am one.
And I love the M dash.
Yeah, I know.
I use to reclaim the M dash.
I know. That's why I've started using many more comma splices in my writing, because I don't want to be accused of being an AI agent.
Yeah. Well, one is I actually, before this interview, went through some of your previous articles on Newsweek and ran all of them through GPT-0.
Uh-oh.
And they came out human
Okay.
as well,
Yes,
too, and
yes.
quality
Excellent.
as well.